Choosing my mom means choosing the person who has always chosen me first. She loves me unconditionally and sacrifices so much just to see me happy.
My wife, I thank you for all the support and for you always seeing the potential in me even though I don't see it myself oftentimes, and I really appreciate it and I really love it.
Is my girlfriend. Naniniwala siya sa kakayanan ko. Pinupush niya ako palagi na maging better, and the best part is lagi kami nangangarap together. Ang message ko sa'yo, love, ipaglaban mo yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Lagi ako nandyan para sa'yo.
This message goes to my mom, who made me who I am today. She taught me resilience and to be prepared for anything. If not for her, I would not have achieved my dream of becoming a lawyer.
My partner. She's always been there with me, no matter what. Second is my mother. My mother has been working for more than 15 years overseas just to make sure I have a bright future along with my brother. And up to this day, I still can't thank her enough for that, because she's the person that always gives me a helping hand when the world reminds me that I only have two hands.
My mom, my mother, she is an amazing woman. She is my motivation and my inspiration. The impact she made in my life is really amazing and powerful. Thank you. I want to celebrate not just this month but every single day of my life with her.
My mother. Kasi bukod sa siya yung nag-give birth sa akin, tinuturing ko na rin po siyang role model sa aking buhay. So yung parang pinaka-message ko po sa kanya is thank you for giving humor to my life, and thank you for indulging sa aking mga whims mula nung pinanganak ako. And I'll promise po na I'll become someone that you'll be proud of.